Hello student, myself Deepali Kamble, assistant professor. This year I am going to teach you optional English paper BA part 2nd semester 3rd. So this is your paper name, that is literature and cinema. This is the CBCS pattern and these are the objective of this paper. First of all, it's very important that you should know what is the objective of this paper, that you know that literature and cinema. You learn that what is literature and cinema. So in this paper, these are the objective. You have to follow that objective. That first is to introduce film and its relationship to literature to the student. So we are learning that what is the relation between literature and the cinema. You know that literature. What is literature? That is the written work. And from that the written work, many of the director, producer taking the inspiration or that written work, taking the story from that literature and making their films. So next, that to acquire film literacy through working knowledge of basic film terminology, to develop critical approaches to engage with film adaptation. That film adaptation, that how to adapt that particular film from the inspiration of that literature, to establish a clear understanding of literature through film adaptation of literacy text. And the last, to introduce the student to the issues and practices of cinematic adaptation. That you know that student have to understand that particular adaptation of literature and how to took that particular story from that literature and making the cinema. So you have to introduce that topics. You need to establish that clear understanding and develop that critical approaches and acquire all the theories of the adaptation from this paper. So next point is that these are your syllabus, that detailed syllabi, that what you are going to learn of this paper literature and cinema. That is module 1. In that you are going to learn that theories of adaptation. We are seeing that detail what is the adaptation and definition. See first the syllabus. Module 2, adaptation as interpretation. Module 3, William Shakespeare's Comedy of Error and its adaptation Angur, directed by Gulzar 1982. Module 4, William Shakespeare Comedy of Errors and its adaptation Angur, directed by Gulzar 1982, that is Bollywood style. First of all, you have to know that what is the literature and cinema. The difference between literature and cinema. You know that literature, yes, that is written work, and cinema, that the many director and producer took inspiration from that written work and made their movies, that is you are watching that. So what is the difference between literature and cinema? So see that literature, that is extraordinary work of art. Cinema also extraordinary work of art. Literature is the popular form of expression during the 18th and 19th century, and cinema has taken its place by the 20th century still onward. Literature have a similarity of taking its reader to a different world, and in cinema have a similarity of taking its audience to a different world. Writer told tales about god and goddesses, heroes and their valiant, historical epics, romantic tragedies, legendary episodes, and much more. For example, books. From the books or the written works, we are going to read that particular stories, and that's why we can understand that the historical stories, romantic tragedies, and the legendary episode and about the god and goddesses. But in the cinema, that is the one benefit, that cinema having the advantages that visually showing the whole picture on the screen that helps the audience connect with the moment more closely. For example, the latest movie you are going to see in that Tanaji movie, that is the inspiration of historical legendaries episode. Also example of love stories, movies, that cinemas, and we are going to learn that Angur movie directed by Gulzar, that how to uh, that story turn in the cinema. Then literature takes its reader on a journey of imagination that is away from the real world. But in the cinema, that it shows such an imaginative world before the audience, and audience do not have to put much pressure on their minds to dwell into their imagination. That literature is an art which is developed through writing, but cinema brings to life those writing to life through sound, music, visual, and with the help of actors that audience can get very easily. Then both are interdependent, that both are depend to each other. Literature has always been a great inspiration for cinema all over the world, because of from the inspiration of literature made up the cinemas like Mahabharat, Ramayana, and you know that the very famous Harry Potter. First step of literature is imagination, and the first step of cinema is literature. Literature like novel, plays, poetry, and cinema took its inspiration and developed film based on these stories or part of these stories. Literature, that is the connected with sentence to sentence, that reader have to read that sentence set, and then the reader understand the full of the story. While in cinema, that particular scene we can understand the story. Literature is full of the imagination, and the cinema is full of the lifelike. So these are the differences between literature and cinema, but both are the interdependent. Without the literature, cinema not completed, and without the cinema, literature not completed. The next topic that we are learning in this paper, that is theories of adaptation. Adaptation, that you know the meaning of adaptation, that is to alter, to remaking of something, transferring something from one medium to another. So in this paper we are learning that the theory of adaptation. First of all, we are seeing that introduction, that concept that suggests that accepting and fitting in our situation something that is not our own. Adaptation touches every single field of human life. Our concern here is literary adaptation, means we are learning that from literature, that is the written work, that which type of stories took by the director and making the cinema. Maybe that is a short story, but director or the producer making a movie or cinema about the 2 or 3 hours. Then what is the meaning of adaptation? That is very important. You have to know that is to alter, to remaking of something, transferring something from one medium to another. But our concern here is related to literature and the adaptation of one literary form into another, same literary form in the same language or in different languages, from one medium to another. So here are some examples that you can understand very easily, that is what is the adaptation. Harry Potter series, that is Harry Potter, was based on the fantasy stories of J.K. Rowling. So these are the example are very useful for you to giving the example while writing the answer in the exam time. So you must prepare that the examples. That second is James Bond films written by Ian Fleming, that is Dr. Number and 007. You know that third, that Guide, Dev Anand movie based on R.K. Narayan's novel Guide. Then Tea Fulrani, you know that Pula Deshpande, adapted from Pygmalion by Bernard Shaw. Then तीन पैशाचा तमाशा, adapted in Marathi based on Bertolt Brecht's Three Penny Opera. And the last is My Fair Lady was faithful adaptation of Pul Deshpande based on Bernard Shaw's Pygmalion. In the last, that adaptation of literature have been going for hundreds of years and all over the world. They are from the same language or from different language, same countries or different countries, same genre or different genre. Here giving the name of Shakespeare, because we are going to learn that Shakespeare's comedy and error. So here Shakespeare flourished in the 17th century and most of his plays have been adapted into film of the same name, maintaining the same dialogue as far as possible. That is, you know that the adaptation of Hamlet, that is Nat Samrat, which is played by Nana Patekar. So that is the adaptation we are learning in this paper with the help of literature. And the last, we are taking of Shakespeare here because it is our direct concern. So here we are learning, that is the William Shakespeare's play. We are going to read his play, which are the character, what is the plot, then dialogues, then construction, then setting, and the event how to turn, or that point to point, how the story turn. So these are things we are learning in that syllabus. First of all, we are going to learn that theories of adaptation. So these are just introduction. This is our first lecture, so you just focus on your study. This is our first lecture, so don't take much tension. Just read the syllabus, what is the objective, and read that the theories of adaptation. In the next lecture we are learning that in the detail, that what is adaptation with the examples. So read that PPT presentation for your more understanding. Thank you.